It's a pleasure to come here and visit India Pavilion in particular. And what I observe at the pavilion is the focus of India on what it did in last 75 years and its vision of what it wants to do in the coming 75 years. Particularly, we see that after 75 years, India's holistic focus is on development of technology, use of technology, sustainability, which is the focus of the entire world. India's focus on startups, particularly after the pandemic, when the entire world was apprehensive about whether the economic growth will be constant and will be more or less permanent. At that time, the Indian governments, both the central and state, came forward to offer several incentives to startups to commence new businesses, and we see the results, and particularly in the expo, its focus on startups. The pavilion also has a segment for wellness, that is health awareness. It covers both exercises for physical health and mental health, and therefore yoga is given due prominence. With this, Expo will definitely project India before the world as a destination for investment. The other countries and investors and businessmen would look at infrastructure available in the country, and the country has shown its focus on infrastructure, improving the roadways, railways, civil aviation, and all these businesses connected with infrastructure are being given due importance. All these is projected in the pavilion so prominently that I am sure that India's goals for future will be easy to achieve, and world will have better trust in India's initiatives, efforts and aggressiveness. Thank you so much.